All right, I'm gonna show you how to replace the fuse on a standard set of Christmas lights. I've got these lights, they're not working. The first thing you wanna do is you're gonna need just a very small flathead, and you can see right on here, there is the section. You need to dig into there and push that forward. You may have to do it a couple times until you get it out, and the fuses are in there. Now, I've already taken them out. They're just 2 little fuses. These are the fuses we're using. You want to use the fuses that come with your Christmas lights because they are the right size and rating. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to drop those fuses into there. Make sure that they are seated properly. That one is not seating. Make sure they are seated properly in there, fully in there, and then you close up these plastic things here, push them all the way back in. It may take a screwdriver to get it seated all the way back in there. Once you have that in there, you should be able to plug this in. You should have a set of Christmas lights that work. Let's try it out. All right, we've got the fuses changed out. Let's plug it in and see what we get. Ta-da! Works almost all the time. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip, and I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas. Thanks for hanging out at the Craftsman blog, and check out some of these other videos to help you fix up your old house and enjoy the holidays.